Welcome, guys, to the daily analysis for March 24th. So, yesterday was definitely a historic day, at least in the current cycle. A lot of the people are talking about, oh, there was just one news that changed the market for the entire day. But people forget that that's how most of the major bottoms are formed. If you go back to 2023, and we were trending lower for about 3 months, and then this move up, majority of that came on November 2nd once Yellen came out to say that Treasury is going to provide a lot more liquidity. Boom. Can you see that massive move up? A lot of the big bottoms are created this way. Even last year, you had some news volatility come out and that created a major bottom. Where is it? There you go. So yesterday's volatility is just part of that cycle. All right, we when we trend lower or consolidate on the larger time frames, for the bottom to be created, it's gonna be news based and it's gonna be two-way volatility. So when it came out yesterday, obviously the way it came out with Trump's shenanigans, it's not ideal. It's different from how Yellen's came out, where there was a press conference which was scheduled, the market knew. Obviously, we are seeing a lot of insider trading, as a trade of about 1.5 billion was flagged 20 minutes before Trump's announcement yesterday in futures. All that mess aside, bottom formation is news based and it's always two-way volatility. So at least that character is the same. Why am I telling you all of that? It's just to know that this time is not different. It might be Trump pulling the strings, but the characteristics are always the same. So, what about the levels for QQQ? Well, in terms of major news events today, we don't really have much. I think there's one red folder event for Flash Manufacturing PMI at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Obviously, doesn't mean much in the context of things. So, where is our neutral territory today? Our neutral territory today is this area. It's this area where we tried to find support yesterday, could not, and right here, 586 to around 592. That's your neutral territory for today. Above 592, bulls are in control for the today. We go to 595, 598, and then it's a party. All right, so those will be your levels on the upside. On the downside, below 586, we likely go for the gap fill. So we go to 583 first, around 583, 580, 577. Those will be the levels on the downside. So about $3 ranges. This is your neutral territory. All right, so pretty straightforward. No major news events. Keep an eye on Trump's Twitter account.